Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram story not uploading problem. The first thing you will need to do is go into your Play Store and you want to search for Instagram as you want to check if your Instagram app needs updating. And if it does need updating, you're going to tap on update. Once you have updated the app, you're going to close out of Play Store. Then you are going to go into settings, and in settings you are going to scroll down until you see apps. You are going to select apps, and from here you are going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner, and you are going to type in Instagram. Once you have selected Instagram, you are going to scroll down and select storage. Then you are going to tap on clear data in the bottom left hand corner, and after you have cleared the data, you are going to go back and you want to tap on force stop in the bottom right hand corner. Now you'll close out of settings and you should be able to go into Instagram and upload a story just like normal. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.